Strive is an online-based self-help and self-improvement brand that was created to teach ordinary people who have a growth mindset the tips and strategies to kick ass in life and succeed. Strive is all about improvement to your body physically with fitness so you can look your best while eating healthy to feel your best. Adding on to that, we will show style techniques that show off your best features and make you the most attractive person in the room. Grooming habits are also important to make you feel and look like you can do anything. We will also focus on psychological tips that you can implement to consistently improve your life, as well as many researched and proven improvement techniques that will make you more intelligent about life and how to thrive in the world. Strive to become the best version of yourself, and life will become easier and success will naturally follow. Don't just survive. Welcome to Strive.